In this study, we investigated the possibilities of practicing appropriate trust when working with the human-centered AI design process. Appropriate trust which corresponds to trustworthiness of the system, is key to moderating mis- and disuse of technology. Nonetheless, designing for appropriate trust remains poorly understood. In this paper, we aim to address this issue by operationalizing appropriate trust. Thus, we aim to discover what considerations AI designers and developers make when working with an appropriate trust-focused human-centered design process. 13 participants were recruited across 3 workshops. Workshops were 2 hours long and included a mix of designers and developers. Participants were sensitized with a pre-study workbook that familiarized them with our use case, diabetes self-management tooling, as well as concepts related to appropriate trust. We created 3 design activities to stimulate participants into thinking about appropriate trust in human-centered design. We used reflective thematic analysis with a combination of inductive and deductive orientation to data. We generated codes and code groups, extracted themes, and finally, reviewed and refined codes. The analysis revealed 3 lenses through which appropriate trust can be viewed: development ethicality, communication of trustworthiness, and interactivity. Development ethicality. Using this lens, autonomy, privacy, competence, and fitness to task are discussed. A development process based on this lens understands stakeholder needs for user empowerment, prioritizes stakeholder privacy, and focuses on system competence as behavior in line with user expectations. Communication of trustworthiness. In this cluster, understandability, system limitations, and traceability are examined. A development process based on this lens discovers appropriate communication channels with users, communicates a very clear system scope, and provides traceable data processing. Interactivity. Under this umbrella, concepts such as responsiveness, personalization, and autonomy are discussed. A system development process from this lens includes feedback channels and human-in-the-loop workflows, emphasizes pluralism and adaptivity, and enables control on the user-system interaction level. In conclusion, using this approach we were able to focus on enabling user trust judgments, as discussed in literature on trustworthiness cues and responsible trust in AI. We also saw how the development ethicality lens aligns with the social science understanding of appropriate trust.